Hello and welcome back to another helpful video on your favorite channel, English with Altaf. Today, we are going to talk about a common problem that many English learners face: shyness while speaking English.
Yes, Annie, it's a very important topic. Many students know English, but they still hesitate to speak just because they feel shy. In this video, we'll share some practical and easy ways to overcome that fear and speak confidently.
Let's begin by understanding why we feel shy while speaking English. First of all, many people think they'll make mistakes and others will laugh at them. Some people are afraid of being judged. That's the main reason behind the shyness.
Exactly. And I've seen this in my students too. Even when they know the words, the grammar, and the pronunciation, they still feel nervous. Why? Because they focus too much on what others might think. So the first tip is stop worrying about other people's opinions.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. Nobody becomes fluent without making mistakes. If we make mistakes, it's okay. That shows we are learning something new. So always tell yourself, I am learning, and it's okay to make mistakes.
That's true. Now here's the second tip. Start speaking with yourself. You can practice English alone in your room. Talk to yourself in front of a mirror. For example, say things like, "Today I am going to the market," or "I enjoyed my breakfast." This builds confidence.
Yes, mirror practice is amazing. I use it too. It helps you see your expressions, your mouth movement, and your body language. And slowly, you start feeling more comfortable speaking out loud.
Now let's move to tip number 3. Practice with a friend who supports you. Don't talk to negative people who make fun of you. Instead, find someone who is also learning and wants to improve. Practice short dialogues with them.
And if you can't find a partner, there are many speaking apps, online communities, and groups where you can find learners like you. The more you speak, the less shy you'll feel. English is a language, not a test. It's about communication, not perfection.
Absolutely right. Tip number 4. Watch English videos and repeat after the speaker. It's called shadowing. Listen to how native speakers talk and try to copy their style, their tone, and their speed. You'll slowly start sounding more natural.
And this also builds your confidence because you get used to English sounds and rhythm. Sometimes we feel shy because English feels new or different. But when we listen regularly, it becomes familiar.
Very true. Now let's talk about tip number 5. Change your mindset. Many learners think, "I am not good at English," or "I can never speak fluently." These negative thoughts make you feel more shy. Replace them with positive thoughts.
Yes, start saying, I am improving, or I can speak English. Positive affirmations help your brain believe that you can do it. And when you believe in yourself, you don't feel shy.
Another great tip is to start small. You don't have to give a long speech from day one. Start with greetings like, "Hello, how are you?" or "What's your name?" Then slowly move to longer sentences.
Exactly. Step by step. Don't rush. Confidence comes slowly but surely. Speak daily, even if it's just for 5 minutes. The more you speak, the stronger your confidence becomes.
Also, remember to celebrate your progress. If you speak one new sentence today, be proud of it. If you spoke to someone in English, smile and say, "I did it." These small wins motivate you to keep going.
Another thing that helps is body language. Stand straight, make eye contact, and smile. When you look confident, you start feeling confident. Your body and mind are connected.
That's a powerful point. So now let's quickly summarize what we've learned today.
Sure. First, we learned that it's normal to feel shy, but we can overcome it by not worrying about others' opinions.
Then we talked about practicing alone, especially in front of the mirror and with friends or partners who support us.
We also discussed using shadowing to improve pronunciation and fluency, and changing negative thoughts into positive ones.
Starting with small sentences and celebrating small successes is also very important.
And finally, using confident body language can make a big difference in how you feel when you speak.
So, if you follow these tips regularly, I promise you will stop feeling shy and start speaking English with confidence.
That's it for today's video. We hope this conversation helped you and gave you the courage to start speaking.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel English with Altaf for more helpful videos like this.
And remember, you can speak English. Just believe in yourself and keep practicing. See you in the next video.
Take care and keep learning. Goodbye.